Hey there! Get ready to unleash your creativity this Halloween with the Shemira Halloween Craft Kit for kids, featuring 6 glass mason jars and all the accessories you need to create your own DIY lantern jars. This kit comes with 12 LED light strips, including 6 extras for replacements, and a variety of glow-in-the-dark toys like eyeballs, bugs, spiders, and webs to spark your imagination. Perfect for Halloween parties, school activities, or family gatherings, this craft kit is an ideal way for kids to enjoy the spooky season while improving their hands-on skills. It's super simple to use, requiring no extra materials or messy cleanup, making it a fantastic activity for all ages. Watch as your kids have hours of fun decorating their unique lantern jars, which can double as Halloween decorations or even be used during trick-or-treating. Made from high-quality, 100% safe materials, this kit ensures a fun and safe crafting experience for everyone involved. If you have any questions, their customer service is ready to assist you within 24 hours, ensuring your Halloween crafting experience is nothing short of magical. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.